my toddler's learning binder. Hey makers! I have made this binder for my daughter who's 1.5 years old. She enjoys the activities of the binder. Hope you like it too. So let's get started. It's important to note that all the sheets are laminated to avoid any tearing off. On the first page I have kept the image of her favorite TV character. Also she needs to match the letters of her name. By this activity she can understand how to spell her name. I have used dot velcros to reuse the material again. There is a sheet to match colors. She has to match the color of water with the color of fish. By this activity I can make her aware about the names of colors and how they look like. On this sheet she has to match 8 basic shapes. By this activity she can relate the objects around her with the various shapes. Next is sorting vehicles on land, water and sky. She decides on her own where which vehicle has to be placed. Next, one of her favorite activity, farm animals. She enjoys matching the farm animals and speaking their sounds. This sheet is of a cute caterpillar to learn about numbers 1 to 5. Sticking one circle for number 1, 2 circles for number 2 and so on. I have made flowers to count number 1 to 10. When I put number 3, she sticks 3 flowers. When I put number 4, she sticks 4 flowers and so on. After learning numbers 1 to 10, she can easily find the missing numbers on the train. Next sheet is of matching fruits. To know her likes and develop thinking skills, I have kept a fruit bowl which she can feel with her favorite fruits. Match vegetables. Again, by the shopping cart, she can decide on her own which fruits and vegetables she prefers to buy. This sheet is of parts of body. It's kind of puzzle in which she needs to stick the cutouts of body parts. Body part activity is necessary for toddlers to know about their self. Same way the parts of face. Next is about my family, sticking their photographs. Alphabet sheet. In the sheet she can match the letters on the sheet with the letters in the flash. The rotating rainbow wheel indicates days of the week, though she cannot read right now, but I can acknowledge her about it. In this weather matching activity, I ask her what we use when it's cold, sunny, raining, or windy. Emotions, an important social skill. The fun part is she tries to make such faces. The last sheet is of nursery rhyme sequencing. She can arrange the sequence of rhyme with the help of images. Such binder helps to develop fine motor skills, analytical observation skills, and problem solving skills, and most important, engages child. Now, how I made the sheets of the binder. First of all, I got ideas from Pinterest. Then I made images and slides in Paint and PowerPoint. Then I printed the sheets. Then I laminated the sheets. And at last, I used hook and loop dot velcro to stick the cutout so that it can be reused again. If you want to get the binder, you can get it from the link in the description box. Thanks for watching.